Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be installing these sequential turn signal and fog lights. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turn signals, and they also work as fog lights. The OEM only one has one right there. And this is going on my 21 Model Y. So the instructions say you obviously have to remove this inner fender liner. Then you have to wire this yellow wire. You run it through here to the top, all the way to this turn signal, and then you splice it in, you splice it in, and that's what's gonna make your turn signal work. I'll be back once I'm done, I will show you the finished product. Alright, now I'll be back. Alright everyone, so now I have the fog light in place, the plugs in there. When you get these aftermarket fog lamps, the plug's a little bit hard to plug in, but you just gotta mess with it and you'll get it. So now I'm running the yellow wire through the fender liner, and I'm gonna link up to the turn signal over here. Let's see. Here we go. Sorry, it's just me by myself. So there's two plugs. There's one for the camera back there, and then this is the one for your turn signal here. You're gonna splice into this blue wire, because obviously black is ground. You're gonna splice this yellow wire into that, and then you're set. Plug it back in and your sequential should be working, your turn signal. Alright, here it is after I spliced it in. Now I got sequential turn signals. So yeah, that's a pretty easy install. Here are just the lights themselves on. Can't wait for it to be nighttime so I could test it out. Yep, so there it is. I'll post a video for later on when it gets darker at night. Hopefully these things are pretty bright. Alright everyone, so I'm back hours later. So this is the result of the turn signal sequential lights. Just have them on parking mode. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to put my left turn signal on. And obviously my right's just on. Once I turn the turn signal off, the sequential goes back to normal. Here are my hazards. So yeah, came out nice. I really like, they're a little bit brighter. I'm not gonna say like a lot brighter, but, and there's the fog lamps right there. And this one has 5 different LED bulbs. So they're a little bit brighter, but not like night and day, you know. So, that concludes my video. Hopefully this video helps people with the installation. And yeah, see y'all later. Subscribe and like and subscribe. I like to add new products to my Tesla, and I like to make videos, installation videos, to try to help people with any questions or they might have with the installations. All right, good night.